Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you how to draw Naruto, one of the most iconic anime character of all the time. So let's dive right in. First thing first, for those who may not know, Naruto is a young ninja big dream of becoming Hokage, the village. He is known for his spiky blonde hairs and bring eyes and blue eyes and that the signature orange jumpsuit. Naruto is a symbol of the determination, realization and never giving up to the dreams. So let's start with the freehand method. Grab your pencils and paper and let's begin by the sketching of Naruto's face. Let's start with a free-handed method. First we are draw his eyes, then add the guidelines for their eyes and nose and mouths. Don't worry about the perfections at the stage, we will refine it later. Moving on to his hair, Naruto has those with spiky locks and their defense to look. Use the quick strokes to create a shape. Volumes, remember it does not have be in the identical to the anime, just have a fun with. Next up is the coloring, but here is a twist. We are doing in a just 10 minutes. Grab your markers or colored pencils and let's get started. Started by coloring Naruto's hairs and face and vibrant shades bonds. Then add his bright red eyes and that mischievous smiles. Don't forget to orange jumpsuit. It is trademark. Alright, now that finished the drawing and coloring the Naruto's, let's start a moment to appear into the powers of connection, kindness and understanding that this character represented the Naruto's teaches us that no matters our background or struggles, we can find strength in relationship with others. Drawing Naruto not only brings the black memories of watching the show but also remind the importance of never giving up on our dream and always believing in ourselves. It is amazing how art can evoke such as emotions and inspire us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorials, and if you did, don't forget to like button and subscribe to my channel for more artistic adventures. Stay tuned for next part. Next part is very excited, so please turn on the bell icon where we will going to into the Naruto's epic ninja battle. Until then, keep inspiring love, kindness and understanding. Take care guys. Bye bye.